Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn. I want to wish everybody a happy Memorial Day 2022, and a special shout out to my friend Jeremy in Brooklyn who took these awesome videos you're going to see so I could put them on my channel. Thank you very much. Full support for the military. You know, we got the movie Top Gun out right now, but these are the real life Top Gun. This is the Blue Angels. This is the Navy and the Marine Corps who fly and protect us each and every day. And this is the show in Jones Beach. Now, the funny thing is they land and they actually fly the planes from Republic Airport, which is someplace I used to always drive by. We used to always go out to over to a theme park over there in Long Island on Route 22, and it's called Adventureland. Spent many a day there at Waffles. So sit back, happy Memorial Day. Hope you enjoy it. And once again, thank you, Jeremy. Really appreciate you. Enjoy. Once again, a great big thank you and a happy Memorial Day to everybody. If you haven't subscribed, please do. This is Al signing off. See you real soon on the next video. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.